What I'm about to tell you is going to change everything. I haven't posted consistently for a little over a month now. Got a lot of health issues going on that I've been trying to take care of. I'm sorry for not being able to post. I do plan on telling you guys what's going on very soon, but I'm going to get through this. Surgery should take care of it, and I'll get back to posting the content. For those of you that have stuck around, I truly appreciate your guys' support. It's amazing. From this point going on, what has happened to me is drastically going to change my life. The content that I bring is still going to be food and drinks, but it's going to be from a different point of view. I hope you guys join me in this journey and continue with me on a better way of life, not only physically but spiritually. I thank God, Jesus, for being at my side, getting me through all this, because without them, I couldn't have got through it. I could have given up. With that being said, I am going on a little vacation. It's my wife and I's 25th anniversary. We're going to go on a cruise. It's going to be fun. We're playing a little game. You guys can join too. I'll leave the link up here. It's called Scan to Win. I'm going to leave these little rubber duckies all over the place. Scan the bottom of it, or go to that link in this video, and in the comments, all you're going to do is say, hey, I'm a new subscriber, and put your YouTube name, or if you're already a previous subscriber, just say already subscribed there again, and put your YouTube name so I can check and make sure that you truly are subscribers, and no funny business. But it's just my way of giving back, my wife's way of giving back, saying thank you for supporting me as long as you have. And the new people are going to get to see the new me and the new, hopefully, you. I appreciate all of you, and God bless. I'll see you after the trip. And if somebody stumbles across this video, hey, subscribe. Go to that link that I have up there and watch that video, Scan to Win. And hopefully one of you guys will win. I will do one of those random pick drawings. They have them where you can input everybody's name into the wheel, I guess you could say, and I'll record that with everybody's name, and I will do another video to announce the winner. But I appreciate you guys, even the new ones, the long timers. Again, God bless. Thank you for watching, and I will let you know soon what's going on when I get back. Until then, have a great day.